Alright, I've switched the GoPro on with the hope that I might get a clearer stretch. Fuck it, I'm not doing it. Guys, a disclaimer first. See, although as you would have guessed from the title, I would be attempting a top speed run in this video, and while at it I would try to redline the bike in each gear so that you get to know the max speeds in each gear. However, you would not be riding this motorcycle like that, okay? This is a cruiser, and you buy such motorcycles for cruising, all right? That said, you have every right to know what this can do, for one of those days where you're really in a hurry. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For those not in the know, that means I am starting this in God's name, and yes, I am a believer. And God takes care of me. First gear. Once again. First gear. Start second. Short person like me, it is hard to hold on, okay, because I am sitting at the edge of the seat and the handlebar is still really far away for me, especially when riding like this, but I'll still try to manage. Okay, the good thing is that this bike is taking clutchless upshifts very nicely. I think in fourth gear, so this should go above 200 kilometers per hour. May Lord be with me. I'll shift to 6th right now. The moment I see a stretch and I'm relatively empty stretch, then I'll downshift to 5th and I'll try to redline it in 5th. That's a good guy. I will give him a thumbs up. That empty stretch, not really, but let me still. No, Shirah, that's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. Opened the rear footrests and I'm using them right now, and yes, I'm still in the 5th gear. Let's see if I'm more stable this way. Then Dude, I gave you a thumbs up. Why are you overtaking me from the left? What I'll do, I'll switch off the GoPro and switch it on again when I see a clearer patch. Alright, I've switched the GoPro on with the hope that I might get a clearer stretch. As soon as I get it, I'll downshift to 5th and try to redline it. I don't think I'll be able to do that today. Look at that. There's just no point in risking it. Fuck it, I'm not doing it. limited 294.